You can expect a lot from the 2015 Audi Q5. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Audi prioritized handling and performance with features such as automatic dimming door mirrors, heated front and rear seats, a headlight cleaning system, blind spot sensor, a roof rack, rear wipers, and leather upholstery. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Audi's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 300+ point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.